Got the supports in. Full surface made. Now I gotta figure out how to put this cut this tank for the smoke box. To go on here. Let me get my calculations correct first, and then get back with you.